I'm going to be a 7th grade English teacher in the fall, so I decided to put Miss Palmer, and then I wanted to highlight the fact that the UConn Huskies basketball, and yeah, I got my master's. It's been a long time coming. I've had such a great time at UConn, but I think it's time for me to go out into the world, and UConn's really prepared me extremely well, so I'm very excited.
I try to go with the apricot color for the background because that's the school nursing color on our banner. I just added a bunch of things that are UConn related and my major relation too. And I like pink and purple, so that was highlighting my name.
Both my parents immigrated from France, and so obviously it has to be in French. And obviously because I'm a chemistry major, it also has to be element-based, so it just felt perfect.
I designed my cap the way I did it because you see these two colors, these are the colors of my flag. I'm Haitian, so this is the Haitian flag. And I added the UConn sign, UConn 2026, since I'm graduating this year. And I did it. It's because, I did it. I've been here for 4 years, and I think this is such a big achievement. So which is why I decided to decorate my cap the way it is.